Here's how you can catch flies that show up in the kitchen, patio, or near the trash using a simple bottle. Send this info to your family's WhatsApp group so everyone knows how to get rid of them. Take an empty plastic bottle and cut it roughly in half. The top part, the one with the neck, will work as the funnel. In the bottom part of the bottle, add about half a glass of vinegar. Its fermented smell is exactly what attracts fruit flies, since it reminds them of the scent of rotting fruit. Add a spoonful of sugar to the mix. The sugar boosts the vinegar's appeal and makes it easier for the flies to be drawn in. Add a few drops of liquid dish soap and mix gently. This is a key step. The soap breaks the surface tension of the water, making it much harder for flies to escape once they touch the liquid. Flip the top part of the bottle upside down and fit it into the bottom part, forming a funnel. If you want it more secure, you can tape the joint together. This funnel shape lets the flies in easily, drawn by the smell, but makes it much harder for them to find their way back out. Place the trap near the trash can, the fruit bowl, the sink, or anywhere you've noticed a lot of flies. Check the mixture every few days. Over time, it loses its appeal or fills up with bugs, so it's a good idea to change it regularly to keep the trap working well. Keep in mind that this trap helps cut down the fly population a lot, but it doesn't replace good hygiene habits. It's just as important to keep the trash can tightly closed and clean up any food scraps in the kitchen to stop flies from showing up in the first place. Combine the trap with these habits and you'll notice a big difference in just a few days.